drone be more than just a spy in the sky? Can it become a hunter, waiting patiently, then striking with devastating precision? What if a single weapon system could loiter for hours, identify a hidden threat, and then destroy itself to neutralize the target? How are nations like India and Azerbaijan using this revolutionary Israeli drone to redefine modern warfare? Get ready to uncover the secrets of the IAI Harop, the kamikaze drone that's changing the rules of engagement. Imagine a new breed of aerial weapon, blurring the lines between a drone and a missile. This isn't science fiction, it's the IAI Harop, a cutting-edge loitering munition developed by Israel Aerospace Industries. This isn't just a surveillance tool, it's a smart, lethal system designed to loiter, locate, and then self-destruct upon impact with its target. Get ready, because the Harop represents a revolutionary shift in battlefield tactics. Israel, a pioneer in defense technology, conceived the Harop to address the urgent need for flexible, precise, and highly effective strike capabilities against elusive targets. Unlike traditional missiles that fly directly to a predefined point, or conventional drones that return after their mission, the Harop combines the best of both. It can launch, reach a holding area, and then patiently loiter for hours, conducting critical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. What makes the Harop so unique and deadly? Its core capability is man-in-the-loop control. A remote operator can oversee the mission, identify targets in real time, using advanced electro-optical and infrared (EOIR) sensors, and then, at the precise moment, command the drone to dive and detonate its onboard 23-kilogram warhead directly onto the target. This human oversight allows for last-minute target changes or even mission aborts, drastically reducing collateral damage. The Harop boasts impressive specifications. It can fly for 6 to 9 hours, covering a range of up to 1,000 kilometers. It's canister-launched from land or naval platforms, making it highly deployable across diverse terrains. Its ability to operate in GNSS-jammed environments, meaning it's immune to GPS interference, ensures reliability even in highly contested airspace. This makes it ideal for suppressing enemy air defenses (SEAD), targeting radars, missile systems, and command centers that typically pose a huge threat to manned aircraft. The Harop has already proven its combat effectiveness. It gained significant recognition for its use by Azerbaijan in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict in 2016, where it successfully neutralized military threats under extremely difficult conditions. More recently, reports from May 2025 indicated India's alleged use of Harop drones to strike air defense systems, showcasing its precision and versatility in a high-stakes scenario. The IAI Harop isn't just a drone, it's a game-changer. It embodies the evolution of unmanned warfare, offering a potent combination of intelligence, precision, and adaptability that is reshaping modern conflict. This is the future of targeted strikes happening right now. What aspect of the IAI Harop do you find most impactful? Its loitering capability, its man-in-the-loop control, or its proven combat effectiveness? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by the cutting edge of military technology as we are, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Aviation Archives for more incredible stories from the world of aviation and defense.